G'day, travel mates! If you're planning a trip to Sydney, you're in for an absolute treat. I'm here to share some must-visit spots and insider tips to make your Sydney adventure unforgettable. So, let's dive right in. First up, the iconic Sydney Harbour. You can't come to Sydney and miss this beauty. Head over to Circular Quay for breathtaking views of the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. And if you want a bit more action, hop on an extreme adrenaline rush ride on Sydney Harbour. Trust me, the thrill and the views are worth every second. While you're near the harbour, don't just admire the Opera House from the outside. Go on a backstage tour. You'll get exclusive access to areas usually off-limits to the public. Imagine standing where world-class performers prepare for their shows. It's a whole new perspective. Next, grab your surfboard and head over to Bondi Beach. It's not just a beach, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a pro surfer or just starting out, Bondi's waves are perfect for everyone. If you're an animal lover, you can't miss the chance to meet wild wombats and kangaroos. And for more wildlife encounters, head over to Symbio Wildlife Park. This park offers a chance to interact with a variety of animals, including koalas and exotic birds. For a taste of Sydney's history, head over to The Rocks. This historic area is packed with charming cobblestone streets, cosy pubs, and plenty of stories about Sydney's convict past. Join a walking tour to uncover the hidden tales of the early settlers. It's like stepping back in time. Fancy a bit of nature? The Blue Mountains are just a couple of hours from the city. Go chase waterfalls, marvel at the stunning cliffs, and say hi to the koalas at the wildlife park. The fresh mountain air is a perfect escape from the city hustle. So, there you have it, mates. Sydney is packed with incredible experiences, from adrenaline-pumping rides and historic tours to surfing at iconic beaches and cuddling koalas. Make sure to add these spots to your itinerary and soak up everything this amazing city has to offer. Catch you later, and happy travels.